Screaming RRs from hiding from robbery victims in back of cop cars. Tatted from my neck to abdomen, almost getting shot was averaging once every 2 weeks. Bless what I had to been. It's painful words, hearing these liars putting my name in dirt. Aiming, I burst, pistol practice until my fingers hurt. I hit my target, I up the margin. What they on, you know how Nas do, don't get me started. Chic, sleek and snazzy from a small family. Fine taste and I hate the unsatisfactory. We could gun blast a party, Great Gatsby theme. Bring your first ladies or come with your new nasty thing. Cause every other day I'm reminding myself I reached every goal that was high on the shelf. My comfort give you discomfort. Just know that in the hood they gon' bump this. And I'm only strong as my circle. The things that shape me would emerge. The things that shape me. And now I like to reminisce. The things that shape me. Cause what we doing right now is really lit. The things that shape me would emerge. When you high as me, you get highly critiqued. Hopped on a beat, purposely sounding like 9-3, none quite like me. So haters could SMD when they bitter like black licorice. My life still sweet. I went for the cash grab, crack cash was my math class. Fresh white tee, 2 diamond crosses look like a hashtag. News is fake, never knew I soon relate to Tom Brady going for 7 in Tampa Bay. Is that crazy? I ain't never been bothered. That bother you? You ain't born for this shit. Being great is too hard for you. That's a hater problem. They try to say it first what you might say about them. Why you stuck in the past? I stay evolving. Can't just reminisce only, gotta live in the moment. Talk my shit at the moment with the weekend performing. I'm chosen, got off the Big Bowen and Rick Owens. Rick Owens, peep how different it look on us. My comfort give you discomfort. Just know that in the hood they gon' bump this. And I'm only strong as my circle. The things that shape me would emerge. The things that shape me. The streets, the beef, the beats. The things that shape me. The creeps, the beefs, the feet. The things that shape me would emerge. And now I like to reminisce. Shout to Mary J. Blige, Y.O., QB. Cause what we doing right now is really lit. Those things were great, man. But today, what we doing is next level. And now I like to reminisce. What? That was then, this is now. Cause what we doing right now is really lit. It's about right now. The things that shape me would emerge. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Dripping on them, spinning corners, distant times. I reminisce on them, reminisce. And my past is prettiest. There was a time they wasn't feeling us. Mass appeal, now we really up. Reminisce, relationships ain't the prettiest. I was stuck on the silliness. Was it love that I was really in? We don't know what you're really in, but then it's too late. Reminisce, reminisce.